Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm taking a look at the C1 cordless robotic pool cleaner. Now, if you own a pool, you already know how quickly leaves, dirt, and sand and other debris can build up. Cleaning it manually takes a lot of time, and that's where a robotic pool cleaner can make a huge difference. So, I've been testing this C1 in the video. I'll show you how it works, how well it cleans, and some of the features that really stand out. So, let's get started. Inside of the box, you'll find the C1, the charging cable, the retrieval hook, and some documentation, like a quick start guide. The first thing that I noticed is that this is a completely cordless design. There are no cables floating across the pool and nothing to get tangled while it's cleaning. That alone makes setup much easier. The C1 is designed to clean pool floors, walls, water lines, slopes, and even steps. It uses a triple motor system along with durable tracks and PVC brushes to help it move around the pool while scrubbing surfaces and picking up debris. Now, let's put it in the water and see it in action. Once it's placed in the pool, it slowly sinks into the bottom and begins its cleaning cycle. Right away, you can see it start moving in an organized cleaning pattern. Instead of just randomly driving around, it's designed to cover the pool efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of the C1 is its powerful suction system. As it moves across the pool floor, the brushes loosen dirt and debris, while the suction system pulls everything into the filter compartment. Watching it work underwater is pretty satisfying. The cleaner doesn't just focus on the floor either. It can climb walls and clean along the waterline as well. This is often one of the toughest areas to keep clean because residue tends to build up around the waterline. C1 climbs up the wall and continues cleaning as it reaches the top. You can clearly see the brushes working while the suction system removes debris from the surface. It's great to see a cleaner that handles more than just the bottom of the floor. As it continues through the cleaning cycle, the robot is able to navigate different areas of the pool, including slopes and obstacles. The track design helps it maintain traction while moving across various pool surfaces. Now, let's talk about filtration. C1 uses a dual-layer filtration system. The first layer is a 180 micron filter basket that captures large debris like leaves, bugs, and twigs. Behind that is a superfine filter sponge that captures smaller particles such as dust, dirt, and sand. Together, they help leave the water looking cleaner and clearer. After a cleaning cycle, it's easy to see just how much debris gets collected. The combination of strong suction and dual filtration helps remove both large and fine particles from the pool. Another feature I like is the app control. Using the app, you can control the cleaner directly from your phone. You can select cleaning modes, adjust cleaning paths, and customize how the robot cleans your pool. The C1 offers 7 different cleaning modes. This allows you to focus on specific areas or run a full cleaning cycle depending on your needs. You can also switch the modes on the machine itself without using the app, which is really useful. You can also schedule cleanings in advance, so the robot automatically runs on a routine schedule. That's a great feature for anyone who wants less pool maintenance throughout the week. The app is straightforward and easy to navigate. Everything is clearly laid out and simple to access. Battery life is another area where the C1 performs really well. You simply unplug the waterproof gasket, and then you plug this right in here. You're done. Simply take it out and make sure you seal up that gasket nice and tight so no water gets in. In eco mode, it can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. That's up to 3 hours of cleaning time. It can cover pools up to approximately 1,615 square feet, making it suitable for many residential pools. As the robot moves throughout the pool, it can continue covering a large area without needing any intervention. And when the battery gets low, there's no need to chase it around the pool. C1 automatically parks near that pool edge when the cleaning cycle is finished. That makes retrieval very quick and easy. Simply use the included hook and lift it right out of the water. Cleaning the filter system is really simple. Simply open the top cover, remove the basket, take out the sponge, and rinse everything clean with fresh water. This is where you really get to see how much dirt and fine debris the robot captured during the cleaning cycle. It's always satisfying seeing what it removed from the pool. Now, after running it for a while, it speaks for itself. The pool floor looks a lot cleaner, the walls look cleaner, and the overall appearance of the water is noticeably improved. For pool owners looking for a cordless robotic cleaner with a strong suction, dual layer filtration, wall climbing capability, app control, and long battery life, C1 offers all these useful features in one package. Overall, it's designed to take much of the work out of routine pool maintenance and help keep your pool ready to enjoy. If you'd like more information, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.